Change name on Duolingo language lesson app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. Today in this following video, I'll show you guys how can you change name on Duolingo language lesson app. If you want to change your name, you have to follow the steps. But before that, make sure to update your application to the latest version. So go to your respective app store and on the search box, you want to type in Duolingo and update the application to the latest version. After updating it, gonna log into your account. That's gonna take you to this page. While you're on the home page, click the profile at the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Then it's gonna direct you to the profile. So here you wanna click the gear icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. As soon as you do it, you want to go to profile from the settings page. While you go to settings, you'll be able to see your name as well as username. To make changes with your information, go ahead and erase the present information and then type in the new one or replace it with a new one and click the save button. It's gonna take a couple of seconds in order to load, and with that you have successfully changed your name on Duolingo app. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.